awesome furballs, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tyler Glam Queen. Please bear with me as I broke my nail earlier today, but we will be doing this quick and easy ponytail in under 20 minutes, so let's get it. For those of you who keep asking what do I use on my edges to help them grow, the hair behind my hairline is still the same. Like, hair has not grown there. It's just that the hair on my edges, which I've always had, has just been getting healthier, and I've been leaving it alone, so it's just been growing a little bit longer, and it makes my hairline look a little bit fuller. But yeah, there's still no change with the alopecia behind it. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm cutting this bundle in half, and then I'm just going to go in and stretch the ends just so that it isn't blunt, because I did cut it in half so it does have that blunt sharp cut. And I'm gonna use the second half of this hair just to add it into the ponytail to make it a little bit thicker on the ends. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. You guys have a fluffy day.